Chip? Oh. Do you like it? Yeah. It's your first meal. It's your first veggie. It's Mommy's favorite. I ate this all the time when I was pregnant with you. Oh, but yum. Yum.
You like it, Elba?
Is that tasty? Yeah. More? More? You want to bring the spoon to you? She loves it. What? You're excited, huh? That's good.
How's that pooper gonna smell later? At least it's not asparagus.
Yes. Ooh. I love it. You love artichokes like Mama. Yeah. And Grandma too. We all love it.
Alright. Good video.